All right, look at what we have here. A 2017 Ford Focus RS. Yeah. All right, what's up, everybody? So we're gonna be taking a look at the Ford Focus RS today on a windy December day. What a cute little car this is. Oh man, it's just adorable. I mean, that looks like a Hot Wheels car. I mean, like, pick the Hot Wheels car up, put it on the track, and zoom it off into outer space. But anyways, this little car here is a beast of a vehicle. This thing's got 350 horsepower, all-wheel drive. I mean, what more could you ask for out of a Ford Focus? Man, oh man, and it's got this white thing that's kind of up in the grill right here. Wow, 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 wowie, papowie, right? Yeah. Anyways, I mean, what can we do to make our video a little different than the other 300 plus RS Focus videos? But what I do know is that we can look at it, we can drive it, we can sell it, we can see it right here today at Southern Motor Company. Anyways, what a cool little car. So stay with us on today's video. We're gonna take this little puppy out on those streets and see what it's all about right here in North Chuck. Here we go. Everybody, are y'all ready for this? Because I know you've been waiting long enough. Let's go ahead and zip down the street in the Focus. Oh yeah, look at her. Just look at it. Oh yeah, baby, it's a Focus. You know, this is a Ford Focus like no other Ford Focus because it's a Rally Sport Edition. Anyways, I mean, just look at this thing. You got this flat bottom steering wheel that looks really sweet. You got these RS badges rolling up on us. You got this 6-speed manual transmission and these Recaro seats in here. Oh yeah, baby. Anyways, let's put our foot on a clutch, hit a start button. She's alive. And we're gonna drive the holy tar out of this car right now. We're gonna rip it out of here. Oh yeah, baby. All right, I don't want no cold AC on me right now. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it up a little bit because it is a little bit chilly outside. We're gonna drive this puppy and show you what it's all about. Because this puppy has 350 horsepower and 350 foot-pounds of torque. All-wheel drive, pure power, pure muscle. American sports car muscle. Ooh, man, I like it so much. I really do. You know, I mean, it's just a sweet ride. Sweet looking ride. Let's test out these Brembo brakes right up in here. Dang, that thing stops on a dime. Ooh, got a little pop back there. I'm liking that. Let's don't go upsetting the neighbors. This little puppy wants to roll, baby. Oh boy, what a sweet little gizzard. All American, I like it. So, this is a cool one, everybody. I hope you like it. Let me show you some other hatchbacks we got right now, though, because we got some sweet little hot hatches for you. Man, oh man, I like it, though. I really do, man. This is a sweet little ride. So if you wanted to buy this RS Focus, it's a 2017 with 61,000 miles on it. We got it listed for $28,765. That's how much you got to pay to play with a Focus RS. All right, let's go check out a few more hot hatches out here. But before we do, let's go ahead and cut the lights on it all. I want to check those out. Oh yeah. Look at her, man. Nice and mean looking, right? I mean, aggressive. Like it wants to eat a raccoon, or eat a squirrel, or eat a cat, eat a pig, whatever. It just wants to eat you. I like it. Just a good looking car, man. Let's go look at a few other ones. This is another cool car. The Scat Pack Charger. Oh yeah, baby. Now, you know, believe it or not, we got a lot of cool little hatchback cars out here at Southern Motor Company tonight. Velociter, which has nothing on the car we just drove. Cool little car. Cool little car. Okay, Chevy Sonic RS. I guess they call that a rally sport too, right? But that has nothing on the Focus RS we just drove. This has nowhere near the horsepower or anything. It does have turbo though, but this is only 138 horsepower out of front wheel drive, okay? It looks cool, but it's not the RS Focus. What else? Well, I'll show you another one. Another cool little car. This one right here. A lot of people like these. This is the Fiat Abarth edition. Another fun little hatch. Actually, this car I did a review of. This was a really fun little car to drive. And the exhaust on this car sounds so sweet. I mean, just a cool little car for like less than 6,000 or 7,000 bucks. I mean, you can't beat that. One of my favorite cheapest cars out here is this one right here. The Mini Cooper for 2,500 bucks. Okay, so anyways, but none of those have anything on the Focus RS. This does. Do y'all think the Hemi, you think those two would hang together on the street right now? I don't know. I mean, that's all-wheel drive. This is rear-wheel drive, but that's a badass car. That's a badass car. Another car that not a whole lot of people ever really consider, and we'll get to that one over there in a minute. This car right here. The Taurus SHO, 355 horsepower, all-wheel drive. I thought this car would have sold by now, but it hasn't. But this is actually a pretty cool car. But it doesn't compete with that over there. I mean, that's a car of its own league, right? Another cool car we got out here tonight. I like the A3, but this one, the R32 Volkswagen. I mean, check that out. Sweet little hot hatch. So, I mean, we got a couple little hot hatches out here at Southern Motor Company. We got more sedans and hatchbacks than probably any other car lot down this highway. But let me tell you, that is a sweet little ride. It really is. Man, what a cool car this is. You know, it's got a lot of space in the back. I like that. Just a beautiful car. I mean, you got room to throw the kid in the back. If you got a baby on the way, don't sell your RS, okay? You can put a child seat back here. But man, what a sweet little ride. It really is. Oh man, it's cool. But a 2.3 liter turbo. I mean, it's really impressive. I mean, That's an impressive engine under here, man. I mean, you would never think that little motor right there is producing the power that it produces, but it produces it. That's Ford performance for you, okay? But anyways, if you want this, you can, if you want that, you can come get it. It's $28,765 at Southern Motor Company. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you soon.